Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Do Random Things. Today we're going to be finishing up our first video and we're going to be making our stand for the hardy hole that we made on our last video. Please like and subscribe and have fun. The plan for making our stand for the hardy hole is going to be, we're going to have a base and then we're going to have a thinner structure on top of the base. So for the base, what I'm going to use is a 15-inch piece of wood. It's 3.5 inches width and the height is 1.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is assemble 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on top of that 1, 2, 3, 4, on top of that 1, 2, 3, 4, and on top of that 1, 2, 3, 4 for the base. So it's going to be 16 pieces of 15-inch wood. That's for the base. On top of the base, what I'm going to do is have this piece of wood. Now this can change based on what size metal that you use, but basically what I'm going to do is the same idea. So one, but instead of 4 this time on each row, it's going to be 3 on each row. So 1, 2, 3, and so this way 1, 2, 3, like Jenga basically. And I'm going to keep building it up until the height that I want. So I want it about right here, so it's going to be easy for me to hit with the hammer. Let's get started. With this box of screws here, I'm going to hold the base together with the screws. So what I'm going to do is, after each layer, screw it in until it's sturdy, and then put on the next layer. And then screw it in until it's sturdy, put on the next layer. And this is my base. Now the base is finally done and it looks really sturdy. And the next part is to use these blocks and to make a structure that's about this big. While I wait for my drill to charge, I'm going to go ahead and drill 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 holes in the corners to use this to secure this to my stand. So basically this will go through the hole and then it'll drill right into the wood. And it'll keep this firmly in place with the stand. If you want to know how I made this hardy hole, you can look back at my previous video to find out how I made this. We're finally done drilling the holes, and you can see how secure these screws are. So the next step is going to be inserting these screws on top of the stand. So we'll do that once the stand is done. I'm finally done with this amazing hardy hole stand. It can also be used as an anvil stand. You just have to make it wider for the size of your anvil. And it's super strong. As you can see, I can't even lift this thing. I can't even lift it. So now what we're gonna do is take this and drill it right in. So keep drilling this in until it's flat. Our hardy hole is now finally done. It's mounted securely on this stand, and it doesn't move, it doesn't bulge, no matter how much you push it. I hope you've had fun making this project along with me, and have a great rest of the day.